cast a video from your smartphone to your TV, you must make sure that your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Mighty 4K Smart Box. You will be able to enjoy the casting feature from any app which has the Google Chromecast feature. To cast a video from YouTube, for example, select your clip on your smartphone and then press on the cast icon. Your smartphone will now connect to your Mighty 4K Smart Box and the clip is now cast on your TV. To stop the casting, press on the cast icon on your smartphone. A menu will appear and then press on Stop Casting.